Hey kids, big moment here. So this is where we start to really make our game come alive. Because what we're going to do is start to make destructions, and these are called collisions. And when they collide with each other, we want things to happen. The one thing that's missing here as well are special sound effects. Like you can see that I have special visual effects. I have ashes here, and I've got some fire that's happening with these. And if we have a look at the blocks we're going to be using, these containers here is when my enemies and what have you overlap with my players, and things are going to happen. Okay, so when my enemy hits the player, we're going to start to lose lives. Okay, right. Let's go and take a look over onto our game. So here's my game. I've been moved over. We need to go and change this to be my enemy. So I need my sprite. I need to set my enemy to be my enemy. And we have to roll all the way down for this one, uh, which is near the bottom, because we need to go and change our sprite to be a kind of enemy. Here we go. So we've got overlaps here. This is when they hit each other. And so I need to go and set my enemy. We'll get the black triangle in a second. Look, here we go. So let's go and change that to be my enemy. And we want the enemy to be the kind enemy, don't we? We want it to be an enemy. Like this. So what we're going to do now is going to go and grab a container that's going to be ready for changing our lives. Okay. So we want our enemy, and when it hits us, we want to lose a life, don't we? So let's go and choose a life. So we want to go and overlaps. So let's go to our overlaps, which is the big chunky containers near the bottom. Where's my, here we go, overlaps. So on sprite kind of player, overlaps other sprite. And this is going to be the enemy, isn't it? Obviously. So let's go and change this. I'm going to put it into a space. And we want to go and lose a life. So we can go to info. We can go and lose a life. Go and change a life by -1. Right, go and fix those. Go and see what happens now once you've got your player overlapping with kind enemy. It should be. Let's go and see. Let's go and test it. Let's go and see what happens if I lose a life. Yes. Game over. Oh no. Right. At least we know that works now. We're going to go have a little test and play yourselves. As always, good luck.